What's going on, North Texas barbecue addicts? In today's episode, we're going to be making something that's been popular for a while now, all over the internet. It's a great appetizer idea. Any get together, if you bring these to them, you're going to be the life of the party. But I've just been seeing very similar ingredients for these appetizers. We're going to be making some pig shots, but I'm going to put my own spin on it. You're not going to want to miss this. If you haven't already, hit that subscription button and the bell. Make sure you do so you don't miss out on future uploads. These pig shots turned out awesome. I put a nice little twist in there. You're not going to want to miss it. So without holding y'all up too long, let's go ahead and get to it. Alright guys, like I said in the intro, we're going to be making the pig shots that y'all are seeing all over the internet. I have yet to put a video out on them because they were just everywhere for a while, and I just wanted to wait for the hype to die down, but I did go ahead and get some opahs, the jalapeno cheddar sausage ones. I love these. If you haven't tried them out, pick some up at your local store. Get them at pretty much mostly any grocery store. I use those just if I'm smoking sausage or doing kebabs or skewers. I have some original Philadelphia cream cheese that we've been letting sit out for a little while to come to room temperature. I like to kick up any cream cheese a notch with some of the flavored cream cheese. This is the chive and onion. And then we've got some center cut bacon, which is going to be awesome as well. So I'm going to get all this stuff out of the package. We're going to show you assembling them. I'm going to show you the seasoning we're using for these bad boys today. And then we're going to be smoking them on the kettle. So I'll get back with y'all. Alright guys, so this is the ingredients we're working with for these pig shots. We've got our opah jalapeno cheddar sausages. We've got our ash kicking honey chipotle barbecue rub from Sucklebusters. We're going to squeeze a little bit of some horseradish mustard in there into our green onion and chive cream cheese mixed with the original cream cheese. And then we've got the center cut bacon. So what I want to do now is go ahead and season the cream cheese before we get to mixing it up. This is going to go good with that jalapeno cheddar sausage. Alright, so next we're going to squeeze some of this horseradish mustard in here. And the way I was thinking is I would dip that sausage in some of this mustard, so why not mix it in with our cream cheese? I'd say about a teaspoon we mixed in there. Now we're going to get to mashing all this cream cheese together. Alright, we got that all mixed up. I am going to go ahead and add a little bit more of our mustard. And I was just going a little bit at a time to make sure that I don't overdo it. There we go. And some more of our ash kicking rub. Now it's time to assemble us some pig shots. Look at that color of the cream cheese. You can smell that rub and that mustard in it. And I'm just using the back of the spoon to smash it down, mix it all together. Look at that, man. That's gonna be good. Let's get these put together. Alright, so we got that all mixed up. That's what it's looking like again. Got a nice color. You can taste that horseradish right off the bat. You can taste that barbecue rub. We've got our toothpicks over here. It's time to assemble these bad boys. I think I'm going to wind up cutting these bacon strips in half. Let's go ahead and do that. I'll show y'all assembling two of them, and then next time I see y'all we'll be at the grill, but let's get these put together. There we go. And you just want to put it a little bit higher than the bottom of the sausage, because ultimately you're going to stuff that cream cheese in there. Take your toothpick right here, go right through the sausage and the bacon on both sides, just like that. You got you a nice little cup for our cream cheese. I'll show y'all one more. Let's get a good sized one here. Again, we're going to go a little bit higher than the bottom and overlap our bacon to create a little bacon cup for that cream cheese to set in. Now, that stuff is going to bust out of it while you're cooking a little bit, so don't worry about that. We got plenty of cream cheese we can keep stuffing it with. There we go. So, I got these two done. Let's go ahead and put our cream cheese mixture in there. Right on top. This is a messy job, but somebody's got to do it. And while we're cooking, we're going to add some barbecue sauce to it as well. So lots of flavor going into this. Right off the bat, you got the green onion and chive cream cheese, which is going to add some nice flavors to our pig shots. And we've got the ash kicking barbecue rub. Check this out. Got the horseradish mustard, fully loaded, guys, right here. So I'm gonna get these all done. I'm gonna dust them with some more of that ash kick and rub, and I'll catch y'all out at the slow and sear. Alright guys, we got the slow and sear heating up. We got some hickory wood and Kingsford in there. We're looking to be around 300 degrees. We got these pig shots on this raised rack. That's gonna help make sure that we get good cooking all the way around on the bottom and all the sides and on top. We're gonna set it on the indirect side just like that. That's looking awesome. We're shooting for, again, about 300 degrees. We've got our heat source over here in the slow and sear basket. This should be a fairly quick cook. I'm thinking about 25-30 minutes. I'll keep y'all posted. We'll check on these in 15 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been about 20 minutes. Let's take a peek. We're rolling a little over 300 on the slow and sear. These are looking beautiful. Let me show y'all a little bit up close and personal. Check that out. Nice color. Our bacon's crisping up. Let's go ahead and turn these bad boys around just like that. What I want to do now is we're going to glaze these, and I'm going to use some orange ginger marinade. I figure with the spice from the rub and the jalapeno cheddar sausage and that horseradish mustard, we need a little sweet and a little tangy in there. So this might be a little different than what y'all have seen online, but we're just going to glaze these bad boys a little bit with this orange ginger marinade. This is going to make that bacon crisp up faster, put some nice flavor in here. Man, it's also going to make it a beautiful color, just a nice crisp color. And instead of a barbecue sauce, it's going to be glazy, kind of like ribs when you glaze them. So we're going to go ahead and get these all dab down with the goodness. And basically what we're looking for on this cook, none of the ingredients on this cook take forever to finish, so we're just looking for the bacon to be crispy so we can have a nice bite. That guy's trying to break open on us. That's okay, we're still gonna eat it. Drizzle it on there. That fire's getting hyped, so we're gonna try and hurry this up. Can't find my good brush, but we'll work with this one. Help me find my brush. Comment down below if you got to guess where it is. I don't. Those are looking really good, so I'm going to go ahead and shut this bad boy down. I'd say we got about 10 minutes max on this cook. I'll show y'all what we're looking like when we're pulling them off. So we've let that glaze cook in for about 10 minutes. We're rolling a little over 300 still. I'm going to call them done. I'm going to show y'all these close up. Then we're going to pull them off, get them onto the cutting board. I'm going to let them cool before I taste them because these suckers are going to be hot. Look at that beautiful color on our bacon and that cream cheese. I'm excited to give these a taste. Let's get these in and I'll show y'all what we're working with. Alright guys, just like that, we've got some pig shots. Y'all seen them all over the place. I tried to put my own twist on it. Let's recap what we did here. We started out with some jalapeno cheddar opahs. Look at that, beautiful. Jalapeno cheddar opahs. We did some green onion and chive cream cheese mixed with some original cream cheese. Put that together with some horseradish mustard, some ash kick and barbecue rub, and then we glazed it with some of that orange ginger marinade that I showed y'all. This whole cook took about, I'd say, 25-30 minutes. Look at that. Man, that's beautiful. This looks amazing, guys. There's only one more thing to do. I might burn my mouth off, but I'm really excited to give it a try. Smells amazing and looks awesome. Let's try it out. Wow, that cream cheese is just so soft. Similar to like a stuffed pepper. You got the crispiness of the bacon. That jalapeno cheddar sausage is awesome. And I really do think that orange ginger marinade was a perfect glaze for this nice little appetizer. So if you haven't already given this a try, give it a shot. Check this out, guys. Beautiful. I appreciate y'all stopping by. I'm about to snack on these, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Till next time, peace. Y'all keep on barbecuing.